Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the world famous tack pen, a utensil made famous when our elite soldiers started carrying pens like these. Let me tell you why these are so great. Now, first and foremost, these are incredibly comfortable to use, and the ink is super reliable. But the best part is, when you flip it over on the other end, you'll notice this nifty tip, which could be used in a multitude of different emergency situations, like first and foremost breaking a window and self-defense. It's made of super strong metal and has a textured grip, so you could always have a firm hand on it. But my favorite part is this handy clip, which allows me to attach it to my pocket, travel bag, or vest. Now let me tell you how well this thing writes. This instantly became one of my favorite pens because of how butter smooth it is. And the nib retracts to protect it when it's not in use. Now this is gonna last you virtually a lifetime because of how durable it is, and the ink cartridge is replaceable. Best of all, we're gonna give you an extra one free of charge. To replace it, simply retract the nib and then keep twisting. This gives you access to the ink. Just be sure to transfer the spring from the old cartridge to the new one. Now, it's no wonder why these pens are so popular, because they're comfortable, durable, and will last you a lifetime. Now, you're not gonna believe the deal we have for you today, so head on over to the site and grab a few of these today.